Yeah, it was funny it did that, eh? Like,
Seems okay that time, but that first time you saw it
yeah,
happen,
yeah,
clicking in,
yeah.
just kind of flames are
And yet
coming
it was
over.
running fine, and then you took this off, and then like then
Yeah.
some changes. Like,
Which doesn't look great. What's the filter look like?
it's new.
Newish, okay. Not terrible. Seen better days, but I'm just gonna leave it in just for testing purposes.
Okay. He said he only put it in a few days ago.
Yeah, just dog hair and stuff.
Right.
Could use a duct cleaning maybe. If it's collecting that much that quickly. But just want to catch it doing something weird here.
Right.
But the motor amperage seems fine.
Right.
The
Okay.
motor seems okay. The problem is with these counterflow furnaces, when they're upside down like this,
Yep.
you can't visually inspect the heat exchanger
Right.
because it's
You can at the moment because the thing's out. If you wanted to get down
you gotta
there.
take the whole furnace out, right? It's the only way to really see them.
Yeah. Well, because at the moment I've taken the coil out, you can get down there, and I think I took some photos and video of it.
Okay.
I did it while it was actually running, and it was pumping a lot of heat out. It wasn't really much fun to be there.
It would have been a little warm.
My buddy said, "Oh, can you take some photos of the thing?" So I'm, yeah.
Yeah. Checks one more thing outside. Just gonna put this bottom door back on. That's the top one. I should need this one. Just so it's running.
Yeah, yeah. So that is the thing. It's been running okay with this
Just slightly
jar,
off.
but if it's on, it's stopped. So
Okay.
what would be that be a symptom of?
Well, I'm gonna go check the vent pipes outside.
Right.
Wait for it to burners to kick on again. It might not have been getting too hot. It could have been a pressure switch issue.
Right. When I was standing here, though, the first time I come when it was running, and it was just, it just felt so much freaking heat. Like it seemed really hot. Like I don't think normally, if you're just standing with that cover over, you're not going to feel an immense amount of heat here, should you?
No, you should no, shouldn't. It's doing some short cycling now. Something weird. It's doing a bunch of weird something different every time.
I know, and it was like racking my head, and I'm just an amateur.
Right now, it's just purging power to the motor here.
Right.
Take this off quickly. Let's ignite it. I don't want to do that. Push that.
You want the temperature sensor one, eh?
Just the blower or the inducer motor.
Oh, the inducer motor, right?
Yeah, let's see. That's when I test the power going too. Probably this guy here.
So the power's going to it all the time, but when it's plugged in, it
Well,
keeps cutting out, eh? Like that's,
kind of what it's seeming like.
is that sort of a normal thing
No,
to expect?
it's pretty weird.
So with this, the small, what you don't call that the combustion fan, you call that what, the inducer?
Yeah, it is a combustion fan.
Yeah.
Everyone calls it something different.
Yeah.
But technically, we usually call it an inducer motor.
Yeah.
But combustion fan is what it is.
Yeah. It's blowing your combustion air in and
Outside. This is the one that goes outside.
Yeah.
And this one here is the one that pumps in throughout your house.
yes, yep. And so when it does kick in, it has to measure that it is building up pressure from this, right?
Correct. Which there is a pressure switch right here.
Right,
So that's the guy that proves it's open.
right.
Vent pipe's not clogged or
Not
something
clogged,
like that.
right. Yeah,
'Cause
yeah.
if it was clogged and this was running,
Yes,
you
of
have
course.
CO coming in the house, so it's a safety device, really.
Yes, yeah. Yeah, because I was wondering whether that could be blocked, but that
This
would pick it up.
That's the thing.
I don't understand when it was cutting out though, why wasn't it giving a code on the board?
Yeah, that's another weird thing. It's doing a few weird things. Since I've been here, I've seen about 3 things that aren't normal. So
Yeah, gee,
I'm trying to narrow things down, but then I keep
Yes.
getting distracted from something else.
yeah.
Yeah.
Gremlins,
Yeah,
eh?
gremlins. I'm gonna go check outside since it's running. I'll go check those vent pipes.
Yeah.
I want to see what's going on with those.